Welcome back to Ferris Tutorials. In this video, we're looking at episode 2 of CSEC Food, Nutrition and Health 2026 past paper series. We are looking at question 2 and their ideal answers. Let us look at an overview of the question. Part A, state 3 functions of food. 3 marks. B, list the 3 macronutrients that are found in food. 3 marks. CI, Gabriel has been diagnosed with iron deficiency anemia. Study the menu below and discuss one reason why it may not be suitable for her. Now we'll look at that menu when we are going through our ideal responses. Part C2, identify 2 suitable non-starchy vegetable dishes that could be included in the menu in CI to increase Gabriel's iron intake. State 1 reason for selecting the dish, right? And that is worth 3 marks. Next part, explain 2 precautions that should be taken when preparing the dish for Gabriel named in C2 in order to increase her iron absorption, right? Now, this entire question is worth 16 marks, and as you can see there, you see the mark distribution. Question 2a, state 3 functions of food. 1, it provides nutrients in the body, right? Now, food supplies essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that the body needs to function properly. Good. 2, builds and repairs tissues and cells in the body. Protein and other nutrients help in the growth, maintenance, and repair of body tissues and cells. And 3, provides a source of energy and psychological comfort, right? So carbohydrates and fats provide energy for the body to carry out daily activities, and food also gives pleasure and comfort, right? Part B, list 3 macronutrients that are found in food, right? Now the ideal answers are 1, carbohydrates, 2, proteins, and 3, fats or lipids, right? Now these are the 3 macronutrients that are found in foods. And remember, macronutrients are those that are needed in the body in large amount to provide energy and support growth, maintenance, and also our body functions. Good. All right, moving along to part CI. Gabriel has been diagnosed with iron deficiency anemia. Study the menu below and discuss 3 reasons why it may not be suitable for her. So looking at this menu, guys, we have fried fish with barbecue sauce. There's also herb potatoes, steamed carrots and cauliflower in cheesy cream sauce, and for dessert, she has coffee chocolate creme caramel, right? Now your task is to discuss one reason why this is not suitable. All right, now let us look at the first reason. So this menu has calcium in there, right? So calcium inhibition. The cheesy cream sauce, guys, on the steamed vegetables is rich in calcium from milk and cheese, which directly hinders iron absorption. Caffeine interference. The coffee in the creme caramel contains caffeine, which acts as an inhibitor and decreases the amount of iron absorbed, right? Or 3, we could say this meal is low in iron content. Good. No, this menu lacks rich sources of iron. Gabriel requires iron-dense meals to actively manage and reduce her deficiency. And 4, we have lack of vitamin C, right? Now, there are no foods rich in vitamin C on the menu, which is crucial since vitamin C significantly enhances the body's ability to absorb iron, right? And please remember, iron absorption can be affected by certain inhibitors, such as the calcium, the caffeine, and improved by enhancers such as vitamin C, as vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron. Good. Next part, identify 2 suitable non-starchy vegetable dishes that could be included in the menu in CI to increase Gabriel's iron intake, right? And then we're to state 1 reason for including the dish. All right. So 2 suitable non-starchy vegetable dishes include, one option could be steamed callaloo. The second option could be sauteed spinach with sweet peppers, right? And let's look at the reasons. Now, callaloo and spinach are a good source of non-heme iron, right? Now, including them in Gabriel's meal help increase her iron intake and support the formation of hemoglobin, which is our red blood cells, right? Now, also, very importantly, including a vitamin C rich food such as the sweet pepper, right? Or tomatoes, or even like a citrus juice with the vegetables can help the body absorb non-heme iron more effectively. All right, guys, next part. Explain 2 precautions that should be taken when preparing the dish for Gabriel named in C2 in order to increase her iron absorption, right? And this question is worth 4 marks. Now let us look at 2 precautions here. Now basically this question is asking you, how is it that we can conserve vitamin C, right? As vitamin C will aid in the absorption of the iron. So 1, do not soak the vegetables in water, right? Now vitamin C is water soluble. So soaking the vegetables can cause vitamin C to be leached into the water. Retaining vitamin C is important because it helps the body absorb iron, right? So instead of soaking the spinach in the water for a long period of time, it's best to rinse and drain immediately. All right. Another precaution is do not cook the vegetables for a long period of time. Now, vitamin C is sensitive to heat, so prolonged cooking can destroy some of the vitamin C. Now, a shorter cooking time helps to retain more vitamin C, which increases iron absorption, right? So we prevent long cooking time and also not soaking, as well as rinse and drain instead and cooking for short periods of time. And please remember, guys, vitamin C helps with the absorption of iron. So these precautions helps to preserve vitamin C in the vegetables. All right, and that is it for question 2. You have completed this section. Now remember, every question you practice takes you 1 step closer to exam success. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, share with your friends, share with your teachers, and also anyone that you know would find it useful. Now stay tuned for episode 3 where we'll look at question 3.